This is video number 2. This is going to be bows and charms and some little paper bits. Just different things and maybe nails. I don't know if I'll get to that or not. Oh, and stickers. Okay, anywho, here we go, Kim. So these are little bobbles. Aren't they pretty? Like little raindrops and just different pastel colors. $1.71. So cute. And I got 2 of these bows. One for me and one for a purple loving friend. Very pretty. She likes the dark purple, so I don't know. $1.24 for those. And I love me and my bows. And bows and polka dots. Oh, yeah. There you go. So these are very cute. And this was $2.27. And you get all these different colors in there. Nail charms. Super cute for $2.39. Wait till you see these. Hang on. What did I do with? Okay. All right. I brought over my pretty plate to put these out on. And these are little beehives. Oh, it's fall. Okay. Pumpkins. Oh, those aren't beehives. Those are yellow pumpkins. Okay. Red leaves. Anyway, my big fingers are struggling here. That was really cute. That was $2.39. You don't get a ton, but they're gonna be cute. And I'm using my bags that I got at Dollar Tree recently to throw these in real quick. A beehive on the brain, I guess. Sheesh. Okay. So there's that. And then these cute little tiny 99 cents. Oh my gosh. They come in this cute little case though. I am not putting these out. So it comes in this little, and just for shakers and whatnot. Cute. Sorry, I'm always over to the left. Okay. Look at this. I'm in Frankie mode, I guess. I found some enamel. I'll just show them like that. Isn't he cute? Let me see if I can get him out of there. Come on, Frankie. Come on out, buddy. Come on. He says, well, I'd come out if your fingers would work correctly. Okay. Here he is. I'll grab one. I think they're all the same. No. One. Yep. They all have a pumpkin. So it's just a little charm. So cute. And he's a itty bitty. I think he's like an inch. He's about 1.25 inches. But you don't want him huge. Okay. Let's see. Now, see, I'm going to try these. I'm on a roll with these darn spinner things, which is probably silly. But you put one on one side, it's kind of... I gotta try this. I gotta take these to the... These were $3.79. They're metal ones. They're gonna weight down your card, so I don't think you could... I'm thinking for my grandkids, but I got a different one, and these are lighter. These were $4.57. So I gotta play with these and see what the deal is. I'll put those over there. I'm gonna take those with me today. And then, got these unicorn enamel charms. I don't know if they're all the same. I think they're all the same. Let's see. These were $2.24. I'm sorry, I'm slow moving here. Let's see. I don't think they are all the same. Well, maybe. No, they're not all the same. Okay. Let's say, well, that would be boring. Cute, cute, and more cute. Look at this. Oh, look at that one. I'll zoom in here so you can see them. There they are. Aren't they cute? They're enamel ones, and I don't know how many, probably 10 of them in here, 15, 20. Yeah, I think 10. So, more than I need, really. And they have the little place for to put on a chain or hook to something. The little hole up at the top. Enamel Unicorn Charms, Miss Vienna. Vienna. Unicorns are life. Oh, look what I found too. This is cute. $3.15. And it is my dude. It is a Disney one. And I think it's supposed to be like a book mark. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Isn't he cute? Did it come with... Oh, I'll have to keep that. Look at these little guys. That's cute. Let me zoom back out. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. But look at him and his gang. Tigger and the gang. Is this not the cutest? Oh my gosh. I believe it's supposed to be a bookmark. I'm 99.5% sure it is. Anyway, honey pot hanging down. This little guy. He's thin, so you'd have to be careful with him. It's 3 5/8, 7/16, so 3.5 by 1 5/8. So, just to give you an idea, is that not adorable? The Pooh Bears. Oh my gosh! And then the little honey pot hanging off. Oh. Yep. Cute, more cute. Okay. Put this over here. I think I'm done with charms and that sorts of things. And then I got this, which I thought $3.70. I don't know. Let me see what this is. 12 pieces. I think it's like a... Oh, it's a vellum. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Let's see. 7.5 by 5.5. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we gotta zoom in on this. Gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? These are gorgeous. I'm really happy I got these. Very pretty. Strawberry heaven. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Making me hungry. Look at this one. This is what I'm saying, making me hungry. They got a little bent. I don't think it was their fault, though. I think that was me. Oh, look at this one with a frame. Oh, look at that frame. Gingham frame, yes. Oh, that's pretty. Whispers of Spring. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Very vibrant. Some of them are vintage looking. Some of them are vibrant. Oh, look at this one. That I could eat right now. All right. So those are super, super pretty. Very happy with that purchase. And where are we at on time? I'm going to do one more crafty... Oh, there's more dies. Wait a minute. Wait. Shoot. Okay, let's keep going. So this is a single little square. I mean, seriously, Kim. Isn't it cute, though? Isn't that fun? Very versatile. Just saying. And this little guy, I don't know that that was... Yeah, here it is. I don't think that's supposed to be the one. No. $2.49. Let's see, they did little squares. So people that are doing Twinchies, let's see. Yep, just under 2. 2 by 2. Cute. Okay. And I will be right back with more.